As the old saying goes, there's paradise in heaven and Suzhou and Hangzhou on earth. Suzhou, known as the City of Silk, is the perfect combination of classic and modern times. This international metropolis is developing quickly while keeping its originality. The top female embroiderers in southern China are found here. Suzhou is also known all over the world for their embroidery, which they have done for thousands of years since ancient civilization. Suzhou Beibao E-Commerce Company Limited has its own ingenuity. The company creates many original designs which take into consideration the needs of their customer in both style and function. The traditional technique of Suzhou handmade embroidery is carefully combined with the modern technology of high-tech tailoring and beading. This embroidery technique enables the company to provide customers with beautiful but affordable wedding dresses, prom dresses, and more. Suzhou Beibao E-Commerce Company Limited is engaged cross-border business. The current main products offered by the company include wedding dresses, bridesmaid dresses, prom dresses, flower girl dresses, and other related fashions and accessories. Since its founding in 2012, the business has grown rapidly and has set up branch offices in the United States with plans to have more in many countries. The company-owned brand name Babyonlinedress is a registered trademark in China and the United States. Babyonlinedress is a well-known, reputable brand internationally. Since 2012, the company has sold Babyonlinedress brand wedding dresses and special occasion dresses to more than 200 countries and has established a long-term cooperation with many wholesalers. From 2012 to 2017, Babyonlinedress has ranked #1 in the wedding and prom dress category of the online company DHgate and has remained one of the top 10 sellers on that platform for over 6 years. In 2016, Babyonlinedress was chosen as the first global dreaming partner with DHgate. In 2013, Babyonlinedress was one of the top 3 companies on AliExpress. In 2013, Babyonlinedress set up an official website for consumers all over the world to browse from, whether on PC or on mobile platforms, and made it available in different languages. Today, the innovative online fashion brand has over 1 million followers on social media. In 2015, Babyonlinedress expanded their business to Amazon Market, and that led them to rank in the top 3 in the wedding and prom dress categories. To this day, the company is the most suggested fashion brand, earning them the title of the Global Brand of Tomorrow by Amazon. Babyonlinedress Corporation Limited signed a contract with Suzhou Securities in August 2016 in anticipation to be listed on the new OTC market, and the Donghua University to establish industrial academic research cooperation.
Babyonlinedress offers a very convenient way to shop for wide selections of event dresses at an extremely attractive price. Visit us at babyonlinewholesale.com.
Hi, I'm Tammy.
I'm Vanessa. And I'm Naya.
Together, we are the sales team for Babyonlinedress in North America.
科技让世界更美丽，贝宝在线让你更时尚。做跨境电商时尚品牌的领头羊，我们是认真的。
我们苏州贝宝电子商务公司的愿景是成为中国跨境电商时尚品牌的领跑者。我们的使命是制造品牌，引领时尚，让美丽触手可及。
Had to go to prom today. I like every dress almost.